Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule.
저희 방송은 다양한 언어를 제공합니다. 다음을 참고하세요. suprememastertv.com/schedule.
A fish becomes one with water, and a chekor, mythical bird, fixes its gaze constantly at the moon. Should you love Satguru the same way, by engendering faith in him, your inner self will be illuminated. Please continue watching to find out more.
क्या हाल है? It translates as How are you in Hindi? My name is Anika. The joyful Indian people join you in prayer for the soon reality of a vegan world in the glory of the Most High. Venerated Swamiji Maharaj was born on August 25th, 1818 in Agra of India. After entering school at age 5, he became fluent in Hindi, Urdu, Persian, Arabic, Sanskrit and Gurmukhi. As an adult, Swamiji Maharaj Ji worked briefly as a language translator and teacher, but soon became fully devoted to spiritual pursuits. Swamiji Maharaj Ji knew Sadguru Sant Tulsi Sahib Ji since a very early age and studied with him into adulthood. After Sant Tulsi Sahib Ji's passing, Swamiji Maharaj Ji meditated alone in a room for 15 years. Later, upon the request of a disciple, the venerated Hazur Maharaj Ji, Swamiji Maharaj Ji agreed to share the method of inner heavenly light and sound with the general public. The disciple Hazur Maharaj realized during meditation that not only is Radha Swami an ever reverberating inner heavenly sound, but also Swamiji Maharaj is himself Radha Swami. According to Swamiji Maharaj, there are 3 essentials of Radha Swami Satsang, meaning association or contact with the Supreme Being. The first is to find a living Guru. Second, Naam, or inner heavenly sound. And third, Sang, or true teachings. By satisfying these 3 principles, one can be liberated from the cycle of life and death. In today's program, we'll present the saintly teachings from Swamiji Maharaj Ji's book, Sar Bachan Radha Swami Poetry. Bachan 4. The glory and importance of darshan, vision of the Guru, of Param Purush, the Supreme Being Puran. Dhani Radha Swami Ji and the exalted stage of love and bliss which his darshan, vision of the Guru, brings in. Shabad 4. The seeker Surat ascended beyond Gagan, the wisdom eye, and heard the constant resonance of Radha Swami Ji's Naam. The loving Surat, on reaching Daswan Dwar, the 10th gate, experienced happiness. Radha Swami Ji vanquished Maya, the cheat. The keen-nosed Surat observed the Himalaya Giri the mountain abounding in sandal trees, and inhaled sweet fragrance emanating from there. She obtained Radhaswamiji's Naam, the essence of all. The wise Surat saw the current of Shabad. Radhaswamiji sang the Malari Rag. My Surat has become Bairagin, that is, indifferent and disinclined to worldly desires and passions. She has made the holy feet of Radhaswamiji her support and sustenance. The beloved Surat went on, following the holy name. By Maud's supreme will, she arrived at the abode of my Lord Radhaswamiji. There I witnessed his true glory and grandeur. She adored the holy feet of Radhaswamiji again and again. She went on, peeped through the window, and got darshan of the beatific form of Radhaswamiji. She reversed the direction of the current flowing from eyes. She touched the feet of Radhaswamiji. She gave up ahankar, egotism. Radhaswamiji has cast such a benign look on her that all the evils of her mind have departed. She has now no worldly desire left in her. Radhaswamiji has removed all doubts and misgivings from her mind. Radhaswamiji has used such a stratagem that the mind has been overcome. What a wondrous spectacle I behold! Radhaswamiji showed me a garden of flowers. Here, there, and everywhere, flowers of Shabad have blossomed. I am now enamored of Radhaswamiji. In his region, Shabad is resounding incessantly. Radhaswamiji has adorned my Surat. Shabad 5. Today I will have darshan of Radhaswamiji. All the time I will keep myself on the other side, beyond the material, spiritual region. I will keep away from the snares of the world. I will knock down Kal and Karam and kick them away. I will elevate my Surat and station it in higher regions, where I will take a stroll. I will hear an endless melody there and enjoy the bliss of Shabad. Thus, getting strength, I will catch hold of the feet of Guru with a firm resolve. I will play in Sukhmana, the middle current. I will easily enter into Baknal, the crooked tunnel. I will then go to Tirupati, Wisdom Eye, and hear the sound of Om. I will go to Bhavar Gufa, fourth spiritual region beyond Sun and Mahasun. I will stay in Satlok. I will daily hear Shabads of Alak and Agam. I will touch the holy feet of Radhaswamiji. Shabad 6. I am gazing at the countenance of the perfect Guru and enjoying the bliss of love. The majestic grandeur of Satguru is indescribable. The Anhar Shabad is resounding within. The drop, spirit entity, leaves pinned, material, spiritual region, the unreal world, and ascends higher and reaches the ocean of the refulgence of Sat truths. When I hear thunder in Gagan, the wisdom eye, my yearning is awakened, and coward mind becomes brave and courageous. I have enshrined the lotus feet of Guru in my heart. Sadguru has cast his glance of mercy upon me. The wheel of Kal is now broken. My Surat merges into Samunsot, topmost region of Brahmand. I see beautiful nymphs in the Mansarovar lake. I elevate my Surat and get to Satlok, true sphere, and then I attain the holy feet of Radha Swamiji. Shabad 7. I sacrifice myself at the darshan, vision of Guru. The holy feet of Guru are my life and breath. His bachans, discourses, are the embellishment of my heart. The countenance of Guru I keep on remembering day and night. Oh my darling, associate with Guru every moment. Behold him with your eyes and merge in him. Fix your Surat in Guru's Dham region. Ascend to Neel Shikhar, blue mountain peak, and look at Sham, Kal. You'll see the white resplendent sun and hear Anhad, unsurpassed Shabad. You'll hear the melodious Murli and Bin, flute and harp. You'll receive unique bliss and happiness. Rare sons have disclosed these secrets. You'll also go to and accept the Saran, refuge of a sant. A fish becomes one with water, and a chakor, mythical bird, fixes its gaze constantly at the moon. Should you love Sadguru the same way by engendering faith in him, your inner self will be illuminated. But what can you do without the requisite bhag, fitness? This requisite fitness too will be gained by the grace of Guru. Radha Swamiji has indicated the true method of awakening the bhag, fitness. Cultivate love for his holy feet. Shabad 8. Take your seat at the third till and have Guru's darshan there. Always hear Guru's Shabad. By attaching yourself to him, you will be able to annihilate all desires. The Swarup form of the Guru is highly pleasing and supremely refulgent like the sun. On seeing the sun, the lotus expands its petals, and on seeing the lotus with petals expanded, the Bhaura, black bee, becomes enamored of it. You should love your Guru just as Bhaura, black bee, loves the lotus and the lotus loves the sun. The hearts of those who have not been fortunate enough to receive Gyan, knowledge, from the Guru remain shrouded in darkness. They have not met a perfect Sadguru. They remain wandering in the snares of the world. Luckily, I have met the Sadguru. I sacrificed myself at him. I gaze at the Swarup, form of Guru, the way a chakor gazes at the moon. Sadguru is Shabad Swarup, that is, Shabad incarnate. His abode is in higher regions. You are also Surat Swarup, that is, your real form is also Surat, not body or mind. Follow Guru. Guru's Roop form is in the eyes. Open your eyes. Guru Shabad is in the inner ears. Listen to the Shabad sound coming from Gagan, the wisdom eye. Radha Swamiji is revealing the secrets of the real path. Those who are fortunate enough to follow it shall cross the ocean of existence. Shining viewers, thank you for joining us today for Words of Wisdom. May you be ever in the comfort and protection of the true Sadguru.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/WOW.